Hello, my beauties, and how are you? I'm excited. Are you excited? Because today is IPSY time. Yeah, look at the size of this, and good weight too. I can't wait to see what's in here. So let's get started. IPSY. I'm really excited because I haven't opened an IPSY for a month and it feels like forever. So first thing we've got is this cute little bag that has people all over it. Like an Egyptian wall, you know. Okay. So the first thing we're going to pull out here, this is pretty hefty. What have we got here? Refreshments. That's all it says. Refreshments. Do I dare look in it? Let's see what's in there. Oh, I get it. See, I think of refreshments. I think of food. What do you think of when you hear refreshments? The razor that I had gotten a few weeks ago, they sent me new blades. Next, we have Perlice Silk Glow BB Base Primer. Another primer. I love primers. Okay, so that's awesome. Smooth a thin layer over clean, moisturized skin. Of course, it's a primer. Ciela Crème de la Crème. Look at this package. Check that out. It's like a decadent hand cream. I have a lot of hand creams. Glam Bag Plus. I also have the base spot, the regular IPSY. I haven't opened that one yet either. I had to open the Plus, the IPSY Plus first. Okay, this one says Blush Bellini Liquid to Baked and Smoothing Blush. That's what that is there. Natural peachy pink flush for beach time or playtime. It comes like that. Isn't that pretty? Awesome. What else do we have in the bag? Chorus Foaming Cream Cleanser. Looks like it's in Russian. Foaming Clean Cleanser. Oh boy, do I always need those. Well, you can't go wrong with any of these products because I use these all the time. I like to cleanse my face. There's nothing like feeling refreshed. Am I right? Greek yogurt. You know, I noticed that we are the only country, I think, that spells yogurt without an H. Even on here, yogurt is Y-O-G-H-U-R-T. Just a little interesting factoid. Okay, so that's it for the Glam Plus, the IPSY regular tomorrow. Have a good night, my beauties. And remember, stay beautiful always.